Hello everyone, my name is Xingdi Li and my Unity ID is XLI76, and here's my demo for the HW1 Part2. And first step is to provision an AWS server, and I did it through using Node.js. And the first step is to define the parameters of the instance we are going to create, such as the image ID, instance type, key name, and security groups. And second, we run this function to create the instance. And after we create the instance, we need to get the IP of the server through running this function. And after we get a function, we need to write the relevant information, such as the SSH user, SSH private key file directory into the inventory file, so that the Ansible could configure the server through this file. So let's run this script. So we can see it's already has been created, and we could see the IP address of this server. And then we look at the Ansible playbook script. So I will set up and start a simple Node.js application on the server. So we need to install Node.js npm and clone the repository to the server, check if the server already starts, and install the dependency and start server. So let's run this script. So it already finishes. Now let's check if we could access the server. It works. So the second step is to provision the DigitalOcean server. I also did it through the Node.js. It's very similar. We already did it on the class. We're doing the workshop. So the first step is to create the droplet server, and the next step is to get the IP address. So here I set 3 seconds timeout, so we will run this function 3 seconds after I create the droplet, so we can ensure that when we get the IP address, the server is already up and running. So let's run this script. It has been already been created, and we can see the IP address of the server. So also we need to run the Ansible script to configure the server. So it's not up and running yet. So we need to check where it starts. And it finishes, and let's check if we could access it. So it also works. So that's all for my demo. Thank you.